Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get Facebook dating back if it's missing or if you've deleted your profile. Let's get started. If you deleted your Facebook dating profile, unfortunately, once you delete your dating profile, it can't be restored. You'll need to create a new one from scratch. But here's the catch. Facebook makes you wait 7 days after deletion before you can create a new dating profile. Once that waiting period is over, open your Facebook app, go to the menu, tap Sipon Timor, and find dating. Then just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new profile. If the dating feature is missing from your Facebook app, first, make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Sometimes older versions don't show the dating option. If it's updated and still missing, try restarting the app or even restarting your phone. Next, go to your phone's app settings and clear the Facebook app cache. If that doesn't fix it, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. Still not showing? Check your Facebook account status. Your account needs to meet the dating eligibility requirements like age and region. And if nothing works, contact Facebook support for further help. That's how you can get Facebook dating back after deleting it or if it's missing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.